Method 1. Install Gaming Services, launch Starfield from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store. If prompted to install Gaming Services, click on the Install option. After installation, attempt to launch the game again. Method 2. Repair and reset Gaming Services, click on the Start menu and go to Settings, select Apps and then click on Apps Features. In the search bar, type Gaming Services, click on Gaming Services, then click on Advanced Options. If you're using Windows 10, select Repair. For Windows 11, click on the three dots and choose Advanced Options, then click Repair. If the issue persists, select Reset, then try launching Starfield again. Method 3. Check for updates. Open the Microsoft Store. In the bottom left corner, click on Library. Look for the Get Updates option in the top right and click on it. After all updates are installed, restart your computer and attempt to launch Starfield once more. Method 4. Uninstall and reinstall Gaming Services. Copy the provided command from the video description to uninstall Gaming Services. Type PowerShell in the Windows search box. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Paste the command into the PowerShell window and press Enter. Copy the second command and paste it in the same window, then press Enter. This will open the Microsoft Store, where you can click Install to reinstall Gaming Services. After installation, launch Starfield. Method 5. Modify registry entries. Type Registry Editor in the Windows search box and open it. Navigate to HKEY_local_machine, System, CurrentControlSet, Services, locate and right-click on Gaming Services, then click Delete. Similarly, delete GamingServicesNet. Restart your computer. Method 6. Reinstall Gaming Services again. After modifying the registry, follow the steps to uninstall and reinstall Gaming Services again as described in Method 4. Thanks for watching. Like the video, please subscribe to Proudly Technical.